ठीक। नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत एक और वीडियो में विकी वीज़ा सर्विसेज की। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे विड्रॉ के बारे में कि विड्रॉ में कितना टाइम लगता है और विड्रॉ कैसे होता है। देखिए, विड्रॉ के लिए आपको एक तो जीसी की ज़रूरत नहीं है। आपका जो विड्रॉ है वो इजीली वेब फॉर्म के थ्रू हो जाता है और यू कैन इमीडिएटली रिलॉन्च योर वीज़ा एप्लीकेशन एंड वी हैव रिसीव्ड डिसीजन आफ्टर विड्रॉइंग एंड इमीडिएटली रीएप्लीकेशन जो है वो की गई थी। आप वीडियो जो है आई बटन में ऊपर देख सकते हो, जहाँ पे जो डिसीजन है वो 7 डेज़ में आ गया था आफ्टर विड्रॉ। 3 तारीख को विड्रॉ किया, 4 तारीख को वीज़ा एप्लीकेशन फिर से लगाया गया और 12 तारीख को उनका वीपीआर आ गया था। और एक और चीज़ बताना चाहता हूँ कि अगर आपने आज अपनी फ़ाइल विड्रॉ कर दी, आपको कोई कंफर्मेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है। आप इमीडिएटली एट द नेक्स्ट मोमेंट यू कैन रिलॉन्च योर वीज़ा एप्लीकेशन। मैं इस चीज़ को कंफर्म करने के लिए एक ऑडियो क्लिप लगा रहा हूँ इस वीडियो के बाद, तो आप इस ऑडियो क्लिप को सुनिए और इस चीज़ को समझिए।
Be received by an officer. So that's why in terms of if you want to withdraw, you can withdraw, send the request, and then afterwards you can reapply right away. You don't have to wait.
Okay, thanks a lot. That was my. And today, if I'm applying for withdrawal, so I don't need to wait for my withdrawal letter. I can relodge another application of the same passport by tomorrow.
Well, yes. If you're saying that you're gonna reply, yes.
Yeah, and after withdrawing, I don't have to wait for any kind of documentation from IRCC. I can relodge a new file.
Well, yes. If you have all the documentation to relodge a new application, then you should. Just
Yeah. All the documents are ready to be lodged as a new application.
But the one thing is, I just still want to put you on hold. I just want to make one verification on my documents, and I'll be right back with you. Just a moment, please.
Yeah. No worries.
Thank you. One moment.
આને પૂછ કે હું અત્યારે ફોર્મ ફિલ કરું છું.
Application, and yes, you can do your withdrawal of the application, and you can apply right away.
Okay. So I'm talking about study permit. Okay, withdrawing a study permit application, and I can apply a new study permit application just after withdrawing the recent one.
Yes.
Without getting any kind of confirmation from IRCC.
Exactly, because we still need, when you do the withdrawal, an officer still needs to do his verification that you request a withdrawal, and then he has to verify if also he can, if you meet the requirement for the refund and all. So that's why it can take time. So that's why you can withdraw and reapply right away.
Okay.
don't need refund.
Means the thing is like,
Do you have any other questions?
I don't need any kind of refund because my file is still in process, and I have read somewhere in IRCC that if once your file is in review, you will not able to eligible to get a refund from the IRCC. And as you are saying that I can relodge my file just after withdrawing the current one. So just after filling the web form for withdrawal, so could you please send some link where it is written on IRCC website, as I haven't read this kind of anywhere in IRCC's website. And just because it's a very big concern for me, because it might be 2 application clashes over one passport, so it might be a very very serious situation. So could you please share me any link, or you
The
could
one thing, and this is the one thing, no, there's no link I would be able to provide. The one thing is that when you're going to send the information for the withdrawal, it will say, it will be received, and it will say that you did a request to withdraw that application.
Okay, so I'll be
Then
safe. I'll be
when they
safe.
get a look,
I'll be safe if I send a withdrawal request on current application, and just after lodging a new application by the next moment. Okay, as everything is ready with me. I have new LOA, I have GIC, and everything is ready. But the thing is like,
I don't need to worry about
yeah.
the first file.
I'm not at all interested in getting a result on this file, because the Quebec, you would be knowing this current scenario of Quebec which is going on. CAQs were suspended of the 10 DLIs. Do you know that?
No.
So just because of this reason, the 10 colleges CAQ were suspended because they were promoting too many students in their institution, and now everything is sorted out, and I'm one of those students who have applied in one of those colleges. So the thing is, like, the students who have applied before 30th December, before the suspension, their files are stuck. They aren't getting any kind of result. Who have applied in those colleges after all the things have been sorted out, their results are coming within 20 days in those institution only, and other than those institution, in other provinces, in other institution of that particular province, they are also getting their result within 20 days. But the concern is about the 10 to 12,000 students who have applied in those colleges in year of 2020.
The one thing,
Hmm?
yes, and I'm sorry for stopping you, because the one thing is you're explaining a situation about a province. So that means that this is really out of my mandate. So what's happening in a province, I don't really manage. I would say that's out of my control. The question is, if when you call federal, it's really we do the process for your study permit in your case. So this is where, and your question is, if you want to withdraw your application, yes you can, and if you want to resubmit, then yes you can. But afterwards, the part in the province, that's really a part that I wouldn't know, because I don't work in that department. So if you have questions,
The 10 colleges.
तो ये था एक ऑडियो क्लिप जो कन्वर्सेशन थी हाई कमीशन की एक स्टूडेंट के साथ में। मैं आने वाले टाइम में खुद भी कम्युनिकेट करूँगा हाई कमीशन से, तो एक वीडियो लेकर आऊँगा जिसमें कि मैं बताऊंगा कि क्या क्या रहा और कैसे कैसे प्रोसीजर होता है, कब तक डिसीजंस आ सकते हैं, क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है, कब तक ट्रेंड जो है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्मूथ हो जाएगा, पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, एंड रेगुलर वीज़ास कैसे क्या कब रहेगा। तो इस चीज़ के बारे में डेफिनेटली मैं डिस्कस करूँगा। तब तक के लिए आप देखते रहिए वीकी वीज़ा, एंड मैं हरिंदर हैरी विदा लेता हूँ। धन्यवाद।